This is an example of a DC-DC converter. It's a Victron unit, they're very good. The input obviously is 48 volts, so from our big power supply we input 48 volts, and the output is whatever you need it to be. In this case it's 12 volts. They supply them in 24 volts as well. An interesting point on this is there is a remote switch. It's supplied with this little jumper, but if you remove this jumper you can then add a circuit in here with a switch on it, so you can turn it off when you don't need it. When choosing a location for the DC-DC converter, it's important to find somewhere fairly dry with a good amount of space around to allow air for cooling. Because we're converting from 48 volts to 12 volts, it makes most sense to use smaller cables and run the 48 volts closer to the 12 volt batteries or 24 volt. One of the reasons for having the DC-DC converter in this location is we're in fairly close proximity to the existing 12 volt battery bank.